Hello class 6. So this is our another practical video and our today's topic is border and pattern tab. So this tab is basically used for adding borders, cell shading and font color. So in today's practical session we will know how can you change the border and cell shading and font color. So there are two ways you can do changes. But before, you have to remember only one thing. Whatever the changes you wanted to do, you have to select in Word also, in Excel also. So select, go to the borders and try to change each and every borders. And just observe what change you can see. There are variety of features has given. So if you click, you have to remember that black dots you have to click. After that the drop down menu will appear. From there you can choose the option. So I have chosen here no border. Now can you see all border? So you have to do this practical at home. And color also, field color also you can do from here. So light color I will choose, so you can able to see the font. Font color I will give the red one. So this way you can apply the border and the cell shading, also the font color. So there is another way. You don't have to go to the border and font, just in the font that arrow marks icon is there, you have to click on there. Like number, alignments, fonts is there, so you have to click on the borders. Can you see the line style? So this is called the line style, and in between four boxes you can see text is written. So this is preview table. And you can see color automatic. If you click here, you can see the color pattern. So themes color is standard color, can you see? From here you can change. Can you see? I have choose the color, so the style also changed. So after selecting, just you have to click OK. So none, outline, inside is there. You can do select from here also. So it's very easy. You try at home, you can able to understand. Now cell style. Cell style, actually it is provide the cell style option. So very quickly you can choose from the predefined style. Predefined means by default it is present in the Excel. So quickly you can make any format of cell. So this style helps to give a professional look to the worksheet. If you're doing at home this practical, just go each and every design and see how the font style and font design will look like. So MS Excel 2013 provides the cell style option also to quickly format a cell by choosing from the predefined styles. So in our next class, we will know more about MS Excel. Till then, I hope you all will practice this practical at home. So if you have any doubt, you can clear your doubt during our online class. So class, thank you.